Are you looking to learn how to pause and resume video recording on your iPhone with the latest iOS? Well, you are in the right place. In this video, I will walk you through the steps. Let's get started. First, open up the camera app and select the video mode. Begin recording your video as usual. Now here's the exciting part. If your iPhone is running iOS 18 or later, you will notice a new pause button at the bottom left corner of the screen. Simply tap it to pause your recording and tap again to resume. You can also take photos while recording. Unfortunately, if you're using iOS 17 or an older version, this feature won't be available. Consider updating your device to enjoy the convenience of pausing and resuming videos without needing any third-party apps. I hope this video helps you make the most of your iPhone's new camera features. Thanks for watching.